Yes, so karon we're going to another greenhouse to clean.
Saan? Yan o.
Ken. Oh, mo ni magtrabaho karon Friday.
Exactly.
No, alabi abuda. We're in the desert moon. So next abuda kay manghinlo gyapon. Nagsimpak man kami karon, manglimpyo may karon. So open the gate, guard. Security guard, open the gate please. Oh. Anino energy today. Maybe because of the weather or I don't know. Okay, guard. Close the gate. Security guard. Oy. Gate. So ito yung ito yung lilinisin namin. Okay? Okay.
10.
Bakit nawala ang mga energy ko ngayon?
Uy, gadon. Ay, gadon.
Oh, let's go, Hamas.
Yan na yung pinakamalaki.
Ken. Naglinis kami dito. Tapos, after a couple of minutes, we're going home kay lunchtime. Lunch break. So, let's go. Abuda sa lami. Sa Baladay.